My name is Jaak Oman. I am the Wood Lab manager at Center Rock, and these 2 days were really interesting. First of all, for networking, to get to know interesting people in a similar field of wood production, and workshop of lean methodologies was really useful, and I hope I will definitely use it in the work I do at Center Rock.
There are 3 major points that I want to highlight. The first one is really good interactive workshop about lean technologies. The second one, which is important for our family, are the materials in development, mostly sustainable and natural materials, which will come in market in next year. And we will follow the development and see how we can include in our portfolio. And the last one is the visit of really good digitalized company for producing timber elements to see the good practice in person.
We're a personal network, and it is the most important for me in this case. There are some very interesting information, some details which I found out, forestry, lean organization, and some others as well. Getting closer to some people which I didn't know before.
Study visit organized by Salzburg University of Applied Sciences was a truly inspiring experience, filled with practical demonstrations and valuable insights. We are truly grateful for a warm welcome and opportunity to be part of such a well-prepared meeting.